A revised schedule for MotoGPs Aragon Grand Prix has been issued due to thick fog that prevented the morning warm-up session from starting on time. MotoGP warm-up started after an initial 10-minute delay at around 0850 local time, but was red flagged after just fewer minutes of running due to the poor visibility. Track action was suspended for over an hour as the fog failed to clear, before finally resuming at 10:10 once conditions had improved. MotoGP's warm-up session had been scheduled to begin at 0940, but will now begin at 10:55 and has been shortened to 15 minutes. The MotoGP race, previously set to begin at 1100, will now start at 1140 over an abridged distance of 13 laps, while the MotoGP race is pushed back to 1240. MotoGP's 1400 start time is unaffected and will be run over the full distance of 23 laps. Share this article on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, email.